Introducing the Recessed Light Converter. Westinghouse offers you a simple, inexpensive, and easy solution, the Recessed Light Converter. Transform existing recessed lighting into a modernized, beautiful living space, inexpensively and in just a few easy steps. Let's get started.
Hi, my name is Stefano Caposecco. I'm a product manager at Westinghouse Lighting. Today, I'm going to demonstrate the installation of our recessed light converter. One of the big advantages of the Westinghouse recessed light converter product is that it's very easy to install and has very few parts. Let me show you. The included parts are pigtail for the wiring connection, bag of screws, the patented brace, a very detailed instruction sheet, decorative medallion, and a metal cover plate. Be sure to read the instructions included with the products. If you're not knowledgeable about your electrical system, do not proceed. Contact a qualified electrician. Be sure the power is off. Disconnect the power at the breaker box. These are the only tools you'll need: a power drill with a Phillips bit or a 1/4-inch hexagon driver, a Phillips screwdriver, and a flathead screwdriver. To start off by removing the light bulb and the recess trim. This is our socket pigtail. It gets screwed into the recessed light medium base socket, and this is how we get the power to the pendant. Next, we want to install the pigtail in the recessed light converter socket. This is the parts bag that includes the screws for the installation. It includes 4 self-piercing screws. You only need 2 for the actual installation. We provide 2 extras just in case you lose them. And there's also 2 fixture mounting bracket screws. Before we can use the brace assembly, we need to take it apart. We need to remove the crossbar mounting bracket from the brace. We do that by removing the 2 side screws. Just be careful, there's a washer between the brace and the crossbar mounting bracket, and we'll be using that later. Want to install the brace by sliding it out to the width of the can and locking the center screw in place. Want to secure the brace to the recess can by using these special screws and washers and using a driver. This is the washer that's included that we'll be placing above the bracket on top of the screw. And we're going to line it up. That'll be the first screw. And the second screw. There are 2 ground wires, an exposed copper wire and a green ground wire. We want to install the green ground wire at the edge of the can. I'm going to slip it in right at the edge and secure in place. We want to install the plate, and you want to feed the wires through the center of the plate and line up the notches with the bracket and twist the plate so it sits by itself. On the Westinghouse recessed light converter, you can hang any fixture, chandelier, mini pendant, or flush mount. But for this demonstration, we'll be hanging a flush mount. We're going to install the fixture mounting bracket included with the flush mount. Line up the bracket. Install the first screw. Install the second screw. For this installation, there's no need to use the decorative medallion. We want to make the electrical connections according to code. Push all the wire connections inside the recess can. Line up the screws with the holes in the canopy. Tighten the screws. Now it's flush. With the fixture up, I'm going to be installing LED light bulbs. For this installation, we'll be using Westinghouse Omni LEDs. Installing the glass. Secure it with the washer and nut included with the fixture. And tighten it with the decorative cap. With the power on, we turn the switch on. See how easy it is? The recessed light converter allows you to significantly change the look of any room in your home.
This is just another way to brighten your home with Westinghouse. Innovation you can be sure of.